This is for Year 12 methods, and it's looking at 2.1 question number 8, which is determining whether statements to do with f of x, f of y are false or true. But it's also asking to write what your answers for each side of the equation would give. So I'll show both. Given f of x equals 3e to the power of x, well, it's an exponential, so I'm going to define the function. So I'll go over to the calculator. 2d e to the power of x, select interactive define. I'll define that as f of x, and that's been done. Now I want f of x times f of y, so I'll select f of x and f of y, so I'll take f of x and put it there, and this changed my x to a y. Execute. My left hand side is 9 times e to the x plus y, and my right hand side is this 3 f of x, but it's not just x, it's x plus y. And execute, and the right hand side is 9e to the x plus y. Now obviously the answer is true because I can see visually that they're identically the same. The way I could use judge without actually working out what the left and right was beforehand is I could go to catalogue, press J, goes down to the commands. Judge is the only command starting with J, and back to 2D. The left is f of x times f of y equals 3 f of x plus y, close bracket, and judging those two statements, it tells me it's true always, so the answer would be true. Part C changes the expression to f of x equals log base e of x squared, so I'll define that. Go to math and choose the natural logarithm, and I wish for x squared. Close the bracket, select it, interactive define, and I'm going to define that as f, and that will replace the previous definition I had for f, and I'm wanting f of x plus f of y is the left hand side, so f of x plus f of y. So the left hand side of my expression equals the logarithm of x squared plus the logarithm of y squared. And I wish to see whether that's equal to the function f of x squared y squared. So I'll take f, and I want squared, and I want y squared. And execute, and I can see straight away this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side, and the answer would have to be false, that it's not always true. Just to show in catalogue judge, I could have to catalogue there, so input judge. If I was to place this there, that there, equals, bring up equals, I need to get rid of that. Equals that, and close the bracket. It gives me the answer of undefined. Now undefined means it's not always true, but it's not always false either. There would be some values for x and y where it's true. For example, when x equals 1, that would equal 1. And when x equals 1, that would equal 1. So those logarithms would be the same. And when y equaled 1, this would equal 1, and this would equal 1, and the two expressions would be equal to each other. But all the other values of x, they're not equal, so then we get this undefined situation. I'm looking for a true for always true. I'm looking for false for always false. But undefined will tell me there might be one or two values of x where they're